that bass line got me so thrilled. It felt like I was on a roller coaster ride a little bit. Oh, I liked it.
Check it out, y'all. I know you're gonna dig this. Get on it.
My name's Jeremiah Burns. I have two FI SP4 V2 18s. Right now they're in an airport box, two 10-inch flared. It's around 16 cubes after displacement, and they're only on 2,000 watts. So I had some coil rub, and I figured I'd take matters in my own hands and I'd fix it with some duct tape. I mean, it works fine. It's holding up great so far. Some of the difficulties I had getting the box in was the width of the box. I had to cut the car to slide the box in, but we finally got it in and playing. It's just an audio pipe, APMI 2K, two extra AGM batteries. Can't remember the exact name of them, but they're rated for 1,800 watts apiece. Stock alternator, 2 runs of power to the back. It's not OFC, it's just CCA. I have 5 1/4 CT Sound Stratos, 8 total, and then they're on a resistance audio amp mounted on the side of my box. They keep up decently. My headliner, it's all fur. I just did this a couple days ago. I probably have like 6 hours into it. I would love for you to hear this, man.
Thanks to our super slow motion, we just uncovered something amazing. And when we first showed the box, did you guys notice anything strange or out of place? How about all that random damage on the bottom? Well, after some slow-mo investigating, the problem is clear as day. The 18s were jumping so high, they took the whole box with it, ripping the screws out, tearing bigger holes. So with that said, and the Swiss cheese setting the example, SPL should never be taken lightly or underestimated. The forces it creates can sometimes be so great. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and resume the bass demo. this was the first demo of the day, man.
Yeah, man, I appreciate it.
Oh, it's my pleasure. We coming in with it. These are 218s, are they?
Yep, 218s.
All right, dude. I appreciate you pulling me aside, slamming that slamology. What's your name one more time for the crew?
Jeremiah Burns.
Awesome demo, dude.
I appreciate it.
Huge thanks to our friends at the Amp Lab for supporting the EXO channels. If you've got a busted up amp that needs repairing or just looking to buy new and used gear, be sure to check out the Amp Lab. Troy and Ethan are always hooking it up for us bassheads. Follow the link below. Now let's get back into it.
This is a journey into sound.
My name's Oliver, 4 ZV5 15s, an Nendo 5500 a half foam, 6 and a half PRV, everything PRV, 350 custom electric alternator. Me and Thomas Jester built it, so we just finished it not too long ago. For what it is, it's loud as
Bump that bass. We got progress.
Dude, thank you so much. That song, that bass line got me so thrilled. I felt like I was on a roller coaster ride a little bit because it had variations, and I felt like it was getting. Oh, I liked it. Thank you so much for that, dude.
It's an experience.
Yeah.
You like those?
Yeah.
Play me.
Cause you ain't got it.
solid one right there, man. Oh, let me zoom out. We're all in my nostrils here. Thank you so much for that. 2 solid songs. Another one of my, I have to say, every demo I get is like, oh, that's my favorite. That's my favorite. Keeps getting better and better over here, guys. It's hot though.
Dude, I appreciate it.
Let's go cool off and say thanks, man. What's your name one more time?
Oliver.
Oliver.
Thank you, man.
Sounding strong, guys. Well, there we have it, guys. Another slamming set of bass demos from all the shows I've attended through all these years. Man, I have so many videos on my hard drive. Sometimes just like laughable looking at all the lists of just compiles itself. Sometimes I get random messages from people like, yo, EXO, did you upload that video yet from 2016? I'm like, oh, no, but I'm getting around to it. So piece by piece, I kind of throw them out there for you guys to enjoy. And speaking of that, what kind of videos do you guys enjoy most on the EXO channels? Is it the build videos, review videos, demo videos? I kind of pride myself in having many different facets of interests. So I don't know, it's up to you guys really where this channel goes, but let me know in the comments below what your favorite type of EXO content is. And if you were wondering about the big 18s build that's going on, oh boy, we teamed up with 252 Customs. We announced that in a couple videos ago, just throwing that out there right now so we can get more progress coming through with that build. I know it's been hugely frustrating on probably both our ends, but hey, we're working together and we're pushing through. So in the meantime, we got lots more bass videos to enjoy on the channel here and some more random crap that we're gonna throw up in the meantime. And if you're interested, check out the video I just posted yesterday of this awesome sounding pair of headphones. The video, I swear, is a victim to the YouTube algorithms nowadays. That's why Patreon is so prized, and I'm really glad to have that because YouTube has just been so die-hard cutthroat lately. So yeah, if you want to be a member of our Patreon, we give away free stuff all the time. Last month was 8 12s. We gave away 8 people 8 12s. This month is going to be something a little bit different, but it's up to you. We're going to post a little discussion board tonight on that topic. So we're gonna let this video go up for what it is, guys, but thanks for watching, thanks for supporting. Much more to come, guys. I'll talk to you in the next one. Okay.